Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad from Home to PC. Today I walk you through how to disable or enable the IB version 6. This step is very easy. You go to source field and type control panel. From control panel you need to go to network and internet. Click on it and click in network and sharing center. Click on it and you need to click internet connection. You will be different with you. I'll click on it and go to properties. From properties you scroll down, and you see we have IB version 6. I'll check that and click install, maybe click OK. You see we have enabled that. If you need to disable it, you go to same step and scroll down and you see internet protocol version 6. You need to uncheck it and click OK. That will disable that. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.